Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. Today, I'm sharing the 5 most common mistakes that can get your Facebook Marketplace listings removed and how to avoid them. If you've ever had a listing disappear, this might be why. Mistake 1. Breaking Facebook's policies. This is the biggest reason listings get removed. Facebook has strict rules about what you can and can't sell, like no weapons, illegal substances, or adult products. Posting prohibited items is an instant red flag, so before you list, double-check those commerce policies. Mistake 2. Misleading descriptions. Honesty is key here. If your description doesn't match the product or you leave out important details, your listing could be flagged. For example, saying something is like new when it clearly has wear and tear is a no-go. Always keep it truthful and detailed. Mistake 3. Getting reported user reports can lead to a review of your listing. Maybe a buyer thinks your item isn't as described, or they suspect it violates a rule. Too many reports, and Facebook might remove it, even if you didn't do anything wrong. Mistake 4. Bad or irrelevant photos. Using blurry, low quality, or totally unrelated images can hurt your listing. Think about it. If your photo doesn't clearly show the product, buyers might report it as suspicious. Always upload clear, accurate pictures of the actual item. Mistake 5. Being a new account. If your account is brand new, Facebook might take a closer look at your listings. It's not personal, they're just being cautious. But if anything looks suspicious, like incomplete profiles or rushed listings, your items might be removed. How to stay safe on Facebook Marketplace. Avoid these mistakes and you'll have a much better experience. Stay within the rules, use clear photos, and be transparent in your descriptions. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tips and tricks. Got questions about Facebook Marketplace? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.